Welcome to Using Update. In this video, we're going to take a look at some code examples using the update command. And keep in mind, if you look in your working files folder, you'll see a copy of these examples and you can just copy and paste the code and then play with it, as opposed to going through what you see me going through here with trying to hack these things out and talk and think at the same time. Let's start off. Let's look at the table that we're going to work with. We're going to select everything from the person.address table. And actually, I'm going to go back and we're going to get the top 10 results from the person.address table. And when I execute that, you see 10 rows come back, and there's actually like 19,000 rows in this table. We're going to be concerned with this address line 1 column here. And notice there's a lot of information. And then if you go way over to the right, there is a modified date. Notice 1/4/2002, 1/1/2003, 4/8/2007. So we have a lot of different dates out here. Well, let's go execute a very simple update statement. We're going to call update, and we give it the name person.address. Then we're going to drop down, and we're going to tell it set the modified date equal to, and we're going to say 2008-05-15, so May 15th, 2008. Now, I want you to see something here, okay? You see the dates? So I'm going to highlight this, and I'm going to execute it. Whoa, notice what happened. That quickly, 19,614 rows were affected. Is that what I wanted to do? Probably not. I'm going to take the top 10 off of here, and I will execute this and look at what I just did to my table. If I come over here, every single date is May 15th, 2008. Notice there's 19,614 rows. This is not good. This is not a good day at the office when you do this kind of stuff. Now, we need to always add a where clause to our updates. Now, keep in mind, you can do updates a lot of different ways. You can include all kinds of other Transact SQL code in them, just like the insert. But you got to be careful with these things. You can really make some serious changes to your database if you're not careful. So let's do this again. Let's update person address. Let's set address line 1, but I want to come back here and show you one and show you how to use a where clause. Notice we have right here on row 5, we have 1226 Shoe Street. We'll use this one. I want to set address line 1 equal to, we've got a correction came in from the client. That should be 1227 Shoe Street. Now, if I execute this, right, it's going to change all 19,000 lines to that one address, and that will not be good. And so let's talk about a where clause. Let's say where address line 1 currently equals 1226 Shoe Street. And so now, if I highlight that and execute it, oh, great, one row affected. I'm getting better at this, right? And if I go back down here and look, notice it's now 1227 Shoe Street. So you always want to use a where clause, and you might even want to test it out as a select statement first and make sure how many you're going to find. Then I want to show you one more thing. Let's look at a different table here that's a little easier for this particular example. Let's go to the sales schema and let's take a look at the salesperson table. Okay, I'll hit F5 and you can see we got a lot of stuff going on here. We want to update multiple columns at once. So we're going to call update sales.salesperson, and we're going to set, let me get to the next line, come on. We're going to set bonus, you can see the bonus column there, equal to 6,000, put a comma. The commission percentage, we're going to set that equal to 0.10, comma. And then we're going to grab sales quota, and we're going to set that equal to null. And then we're going to put a where clause in here, where the territory ID is equal to 1. And if I want to be really good, I'll put a semicolon on the end. Now I will highlight this update command, execute it. 3 rows were affected. Okay, well, if I go back and look and execute this, territory 1, notice the sales quota is null, the bonus is 6,000, the commission percent is 10. If I go back and do one more thing, order by territory ID, let me show you one other cool thing I can just drag and drop if I highlight those. So let me run this again in order by territory ID. you'll see in my ones, they're all 6,000, they're all 10, and the sales quota is null. So there's a real simple looks at update. Go read the documentation, play with update. A lot of power, a lot of danger here. Be very careful.